Come test drive the 2018 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.